Okay, what we have here is a TigerShark by Hayward. Going ahead, these covers here, they wear on the pool's edge, so inevitably you need to be replaced. So if you're going to DIY it, I'm going to show you a little thing here. Got all the screws out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 of them on each side of the plates. That's the motor. You also have the plug you got to unscrew. This was loose, and basically it had the plug on there. They sell these. I didn't buy one, so I went ahead and knocked out these, knocked out the little pins as you see here, and I'm going to reuse them. I took a skinny nail and drove that down through there to open that back up. You got to be gentle with it, so you can go ahead and reattach these wires. Now when you take it apart, if you don't remember, you're going to have that little tab there. That's a particular way it goes in. The white wire is on that side when you go to put it back together. So here we go, we're going to continue here. Alright, this is a one-man show, so that's why it's broken up. I got the side plates back on. It's really nothing, not a big deal. You got to take the handle off, put all those screws, redo the belts, put all the screws back on. But you got to thread this cord back through, and you can see here where I've put the terminals back on. Now I don't have the sleeve over it yet. There's these little keepers, and how I got those out was I took a little torque thing and I put it on here like that. After I cut it initially, I drove it down like that. Took a little hammer, tapped on top, and it drove it out, both of them. And now I've got to stick those two ends back into this plug. You can buy this, I think it comes with everything, so you can just clip that and rebuild it the easy way, but I seem to want to do things the hard way, or cheap way, whatever. I didn't know I needed it. Alrighty, so next I'll be putting the back on there, and I'll be plugging it back in and putting all the seals back on, which is over here. You have, okay, we have the things pushed in there. Make sure the white is on the side where that tab is, because it's got to fit in there a proper way for it to run right. Other than that, it's just plugging it back up. I'm going to put a little bit of silicone grease around this compression seal. I did buy a new compression seal. You don't want to take a chance. These motors are anywhere between $200 to $400 depending on where you get it used or new. Other than that, that's it. Hope this helps, because there's nothing out there on this. Later on. Okay, screwed it on, and I've left a paint mark, because when I took that off it was a little loose, it wasn't really tight, so I put a paint mark just to keep an eye on it when I clean the filter. Alright, very simple if you have some knowledge, common sense, and a little bit of tools.